It's time for some dark science. Enjoy.
Have you ever played with things that glow in the dark? They aren't powered by electricity or batteries, so how do they glow? Let's find out with a glowing slime recipe. To make your own glow-in-the-dark slime, you'll need white school glue, borax, warm water, some neon paint, and a UV light bulb. First, empty the whole bottle of glue into a bowl. Fill up the empty bottle with warm water and pour this into the glue. Stir it together well. Add a big squirt of neon paint and mix it all in until the colour is even. Then, in a cup, add 1 spoon of borax to half a cup of warm water. Stir it well until the borax is dissolved. Now, carefully add the borax mixture to the glue mix 1 teaspoon at a time, stirring as you go. We used 5 teaspoons before our slime was nice and smooth. Voila! Your first glow-in-the-dark slime is complete. But why not make a few different colours for fun? The last step is to take your lamp and screw in the UV light bulb. Now it's time to play. How cool is that? So how is this glowing effect working? Neon paint contains phosphorescent chemicals, and molecules in these chemicals get excited by high-energy light, like ultraviolet light. So under a UV light bulb, the slime absorbs lots of light energy, and we see this energy as a groovy glow, until the UV light is turned off.
To see our entire dark science episode, check out the link below.